I am a big fan of high protein meals. That's because protein not only aids in the regulation of cells, tissues, and organs, it's essential for maintaining muscle mass, helping with recovery and reducing appetite and hunger, meaning your patients are less likely to find themselves reaching for that mid-meal snack. High protein foods include things like nuts, tofu, yogurt, meat products, and eggs. And of all the wonderful properties in eggs, my favorite would have to be their high quality protein content. Just 2 eggs contain nearly 13 grams of protein, which is 20% of the recommended dietary intake for men and 27% for women. Protein also helps to increase metabolism by the process of building and maintaining muscle mass, which we know burns more calories than fat, and because our bodies use more calories to digest protein. For high protein meal ideas that you can share with your patients or enjoy yourself, head to the Australian Eggs website.